They may
Yes.
create it immediately, or they may create it after a month, based upon the time frame when the goods will be arriving to your place. And based on that, inbound delivery will be created. It can be created now or later as well.
Yeah.
Right. So if you're using LETRA, until inbound delivery is created, you will not be able to plan for the shipments. You will not be able to create shipment documents because you have only option to add the delivery documents to shipment document in case of LETRA. You cannot add your
Oh,
purchase orders to your shipment document. You cannot start planning for your shipment until delivery document is created.
okay. In LETRA, you were saying.
Yes, LETRA.
Oh, okay.
You
Yeah.
have to wait in your SAP until in your SAP until delivery documents is created. You will not be able to create a shipment document. If there is option only to add your inbound deliveries and outbound deliveries. There is no option to add your sales orders or purchase orders.
Okay, got it. Yes, yes, yeah. So there is
Okay.
only option for the delivery document.
Yeah.
You are saying that there is no option for the purchase order or sales order, but
Exactly. Correct.
there
Correct.
is
Correct.
only option for the delivery document. Until unless
Correct.
it is not released, we cannot use the LETRA. I mean,
Right.
in LETRA. Okay.
And second one is there is no option for capacity planning. So
Okay.
in case of shipment document, you will not have any visibility towards the capacity of the truck. You will not be able to know the utility of the truck, how much utilization after loading the goods into the vehicle, how much utilization has been made for in the truck. Suppose if the truck is a 40-ton truck, after the
Okay.
goods are loaded, how much
Mhm.
space is there? that
Yes, yes, yeah.
that part of capacity planning is something it's
We
missing
are
in
missing.
LETRA. You will not be
Okay.
able to view the you will not have any visibility towards the capacity of the truck uh,
Uh-huh.
before and after loading the goods.
Okay, got it. Yeah, got it.
So
Yeah.
that is something which is not a part of LETR.
The first one, no options for order plan based planning.
Mm.
Here, when purchase order is generated, we cannot produce the whatever the document in LETRA you were
Shipment
saying, right?
document.
Shipment
Ship-
document, yeah. But is it
mm.
available the same thing? The issue has been solved in TM, SAP TM?
Yeah, that is what I'm coming to say. These are all the disadvantages of LETRA. That's why they moved on to TM. These are all the main disadvantages. So now
Uh-huh.
they have moved on to TM, and I
Okay.
believe earlier before Corona they said by 2025 they will be stopping they will not support LETRA anymore from SAP side. I
Okay.
believe now they have increased to 2 years or something. Until
Okay.
2027 only this shipment process LETRA will be supported. After
Oh,
that,
it's only
it will
TM.
be ATM. And next is limited execution visibility. In case of TP,
Uh-huh.
transportation planning and VS module in APO, there is
Okay.
limited execution visibility.
Okay.
So they will create the shipment document in TPVS, but the execution was done in ECC only. There is no
Okay.
visibility from TPVS
Okay.
point of view.
You need to come back again to ECC and execute the
Yes, right, right,
document.
right.
Okay.
And freight costing document also is not possible. So these are all the main disadvantages because of which the clients they requested SAP for a separate module for transportation management. So in case of transportation management, these are all the deployment options available with us currently. You
Mm-hmm.
can integrate SAP TM server,
Mm-hmm.
separate TM server with a ERP. As
Okay.
you know, only 30 to 40 percentage of the customers, not even 40, 25 to 30 percentage of the customers have migrated from ERP to S4HANA. Still
Okay.
70 percentage of the customers are still working on ECC only.
Okay.
So if they want to use transportation management, they have
Mm-hmm.
to buy transportation management as a separate server and they have to integrate with ERP. And transportation management can be integrated with any other legacy system,
Yes.
any other different software other than
Yeah.
SAP. And SAP TM can be used as a standalone system for S4 HANA. And
Oh,
embedded TM is S4 HANA can also be used.
used. Okay. So now, what is the most popular or what we are going to use server? I mean,
We will be
what kind of
using embedded TM only.
embedded? The last one, right?
They are the recent one, 2024.
Oh, okay, okay.
So what are all the advantages of embedded TM? So the major advancement in embedded TM is whenever you in case of you have to if when TM was a separate box, you have to do this what we call this customer vendor integration and all. We have to do it in purchase or in MM we have vendors, right? So we
Right.
have vendor
Yeah.
master data, right? So these
Yes. Yeah.
vendor master data has to be
Mm-hmm.
converted into BP in
Yes.
ECC itself,
ECC.
business
Yeah.
partners.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right.
Those business partners only can be pushed on to TM to be utilized because in TM there is no vendor or customer. It is
Oh,
business
only
partner.
BPs. Okay. Only business partners. Okay.
Now this is something which can be eliminated now. Now you don't have to convert it. You don't have to convert it into BP because in S4 HANA everything is BP only. There is no
Yes.
vendor or customer master data.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So whatever you're using in your procurement module or SD module can be
Uh-huh.
utilized in the same way in TM as well. And in case of separate server, you have to transfer your shipment sales orders. You have to transfer your purchase order. That will
Uh-huh.
create one more document in TM.
Okay.
That document is the base for transportation management.
Okay.
We call it
Okay.
as OTR, DTR, order transportation requirement,
Uh-huh.
delivery transportation requirement. So whenever
Okay.
we send our sales orders and purchase order, it will create an OTR. Earlier,
Okay.
when different server was there, sales orders and purchase orders will be sent to TM. That
Mm-hmm.
sales orders and purchase order will create a document called OTR.
Oh,
OTR
okay.
means order transportation requirement.
Transportation. Okay. Yeah.
So the transportation process will start from this OTR only.
Okay. Okay.
Now this OTR document is eliminated because we everything is in single box only, right? Why do we need to
Mhm.
have a different document now? Same
Okay.
whenever clearing sales order, from that itself, shipment activities will start. Transportation
Okay. Okay.
sales
Okay.
orders and purchase orders are the starting point for your transportation
Uh-huh.
management process. So master data objects with direct integration inside the suite is, itself is possible. Master
Uh-huh.
data like vendor master data, customer
Uh-huh.
master data don't have you don't have to do the conversion part.
Mhm.
Direct integration of transportation planning with sales and distribution and procurement module,
Okay.
enabling core TM functions that aren't part of any TRA but can be very useful for shippers, like capacity planning, order
Okay. Yeah.
based planning that can be utilized in. And also you have Fury apps now.
Yeah.
Fury apps,
Right.
Fury apps. Now everything mobile and apps only, right? For each and
Yes.
everything you need a mobile app. For even for a workout, for a cooking,
Yes.
for each and
Anything.
everything
Yeah.
we need an app.
Yes. Right.
Right. So this Fury app is something which is the latest trend. Whatever you're doing in
Mhm.
ECC will be done in Fury apps now. Same screen,
Okay.
but it will be done in different way, more advanced manner. More advanced
Uh-huh.
manner means like what we have in our mobile apps.
Okay.
We will be clicking on the app and we'll be navigating through the app. Right. The same way it will be done in Fury apps.
Okay.
So embedded analytics is there. There are several analytical apps in S4 HANA, like
Mm-hmm.
sales analytics is there, delivery performance analytics is there. These analytics apps can be also utilized for the S4 HANA transportation management. Data aging functionality and archiving functionality is an
Mm-hmm.
advancement of S4 HANA. That
Oh.
advancement can be utilized. Data
What is
aging
the data
functionality.
agent? Yeah.
I'm coming to that. Data aging
Yeah.
functionality in the sense, if,
Mm-hmm.
that is the main advancement in HANA after in-memory database. If whenever you speak about HANA to someone else,
Mm-hmm.
they'll be saying, what is HANA means? They will be saying it is an in-memory database.
Mm-hmm.
What is in-memory database?
Oh, we store data in a form in the structure format. I mean, we database. We retrieve data from database or store data in database.
No, not exactly. In-memory database, in simple words, it's nothing but our RAM, random access memory.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
what happens in our RAM? Why is our laptop and desktops are working a bit faster when we increase our RAM storage? Why it is why it is performing quicker? What will be stored in the RAM and what will be stored in your hard disk? In RAM, in random access memory RAM, what will be stored is the main important programs that is required for functioning of this particular OS, Windows OS. That only will be available in the RAM, right?
Okay.
All other
Okay.
data will be stored in your hard disk.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Right, hard disk you would have seen, right? If you are aware
Yes.
about
Yes.
hard disk,
Yeah. Yeah.
all your data will be stored in the hard disk. Only the certain important information will be certain important programs which is required for functioning of this operating system Windows that will be available in your RAM.
RAM. Okay. Yes.
That is
Yes. Yeah.
called random access memory.
Memory.
Okay,
Yes.
that
Yes.
is
Yeah.
why your laptop is able to function quicker when you increase the RAM storage. Okay, this
Okay.
is
Okay.
the in-memory database is nothing but the RAM only, random access memory. All the
Oh.
important data, the recent data, which is
Uh-huh.
required for real-time analytics, 1 year
Okay.
data, 6 months data, that will be
Mhm.
stored in the in-memory database, RAM, random access memory.
Okay.